So we are changing the motor for the air condition.
Let me quickly explain you how a air conditioning unit or a HVAC unit of a house work, and also explain what we are going to fix in this video. So as you can see in this diagram, there is a thermostat. As soon as you turn on the thermostat, the inside unit of the house sucks the warm air and sends it to the outside unit. The outside unit consists of a compressor, a fan and a motor. The motor helps the fan to run. So as soon as the warm air is received in that outside unit, compressor and the fan converts that warm air into a medium temperature liquid and then send it back to the house. The inside unit receives the medium temperature liquid, converts it into a cool air and sends it into the house. So this is how our air conditioning unit works. So in our case, the motor which is located in the outside unit which helps the fan to run has gone bad. So we are going to replace that. I will also put some links in the description box which will explain more accurately how the HVAC or a air conditioning unit of a house works.
And we already took out the fan from the unit.
That's it. And then you can just unscrew it, and then we have to pull it out. Here you go. Okay, the problem with this one was that this motor is gone bad, really bad. So it's a 12 years or 13 years old motor. I got this motor from Amazon for $150 with all taxes and everything. Only thing is that you have to spend about like 30 minutes to remove this, put it over there, and it's easy to do that. If you go and call the AC people to change this, they must charge you for coming over here $100, $200 for this machine, and about like another $200 for reinstalling this. So it comes to about like $500 and everything. But it's an easy job. When I can do it, everybody can do it. Before you disconnect the motor from the main hub, make sure you take the pictures where exactly to reinstall. It's easy, but make sure you take 3-4 pictures for that, and then you can reinstall the same wiring at that proper position.
So now we are taking off the motor from this panel. Need to take off all the 4 screws.
Yep.
So one thing we have to make sure that the length of the wires of your new motor should be equally long as the old one, so that you can fit it properly. One test which tells that this is not working and this is the new one will actually fix our problem, because this, if we try to spin it from hand, it is jammed, whereas this one is super smooth. So hopefully it will, after changing the motor, it will solve our problem. One more thing we have to make sure, when we put it back, it should come around the same level on the new motor. So we did a small mark here with a screwdriver, so that when we put it back, we put the screw at this point. I'll show you. So one thing which is very important is that you level it up properly so that this blade do not touch the motor when it turns.
It's moving smoothly. Now the main part is to put the wires back together. There is one wire which goes to the connector. The connector is this one,
Okay.
and this is capacitor. So we have to put 2 wires over here, which is brown and purple, and black goes over here. I connected with this one. The black one goes to the connector, and this is your capacitor. So now I have to look for the purple one. This purple goes next to the red one over here. The brown cap goes into this black hook. You can see that it says fan.
So this is how you install the new motor to your air conditioning unit. You just need to put the wires back.
We are testing it now to check everything is installed properly. So I'm putting that fuse thing back into that. So there's the up and down.
Yay! It's working.
It's working. We put the fan together, everything is normal, and AC starts working.